Meet the Shocker Gooseneck Surge Air Hitch featuring the patent-pending multi-fit stem. The multi-fit stem fits 4-inch or 100-millimeter round trailer outer tubes and features 3 adjustment holes to accommodate different pinhole locations, straight or angled. The top hole fits 4-inch round angled hole stems, the middle for 100-millimeter round angled hole stems, and the bottom for the standard 4-inch straight hole stems, fitting most trailers out on the market today. Using our proven Gooseneck Surge air ride technology, it absorbs the forward and back road shock, which saves your truck, trailer, and contents. You can tune the air ride system to your exact load. Heavy or light, the air does the work so your truck doesn't have to. Featuring a 30,000-pound towing capacity and a 7,000-pound tongue weight rating. Whether you're hauling livestock, equipment, or hotshotting, it's built to handle the load. It comes standard with our patented shift lock coupler. It's the only gooseneck coupler that captures the ball on both sides. One look at the handle, and you know you're locked and ready to roll. Installation takes just minutes and completely replaces your factory inner tube stem. Once it's in, just add air and feel the night and day difference in your ride quality. Upgrade to the Shocker Gooseneck Surge today by visiting us at shockerhitch.com or calling us at 701-707-2666 for safer, smoother towing.